So, good morning everyone. So, for today's video, we're going to discuss about rules and differentiation or rules for calculating the derivatives, okay? So, what is the rules or what is the process, something like that. So, a and b are differentiable function. A equals f of x, b equals g of x, c is constant. Okay, so we have first, so we have derivative of constant or constant rule. Okay, the derivative of a constant c is 0 if y equals constant, then the slope of the graph is 0. So every number, the number from 1 to infinity, the derivative of that is 0. Okay, for example, the derivative of 1, 0. Derivative of 10, 0. The derivative of constant, 0. Okay, and we have derivative of sum or sum rule. Okay, so for example, we have x to the fourth power plus 3x cubed minus 5x plus 3. So when it is a combination of a plus b raised to 1 or equals a raised to 1 plus or minus b raised to 1. Okay, so you are going to differentiate each term. So for example, in x to the fourth power, so we're going to multiply the 4 by 1, so 4, then 4 minus 1, so 4x cubed plus 3 times 3, 9, 3 minus 1, so 2, so 9x squared, then 1 times negative 5, so negative 5, then you're going to cancel the 3. Okay, so that is the derivative of sum rule. So constant exponent rule, derivative of sum, and derivatives of sum or sum rule. Next, we have derivative of product rule. Okay, something like that. So ab raised to 1 plus ba raised to 1. So for example, you have a x squared plus, okay, x squared plus 1 times x cubed plus 4. So all you have to do is to copy. So okay, we have first term and we have second term. Okay, we have to do we have first term and we have second term. All you have to do is to copy the first term. We have x squared plus 1. Then find the derivative of second term. So the derivative of second term would be 3x squared plus, copy the second term, which is x cubed plus 4. Then find the derivative of first term, would be 2x. Okay, then you are going to simplify this one. So that simplify is 3x to the fourth power plus 3x squared plus 2x to the fourth power plus 8x. Then combine like terms, so we have 3x to the fourth power plus 2x to the fourth power, so we have 5x raised to 4 plus 3x squared plus 8x. So that is the derivative of product or product rule. Okay, number 5, so we have derivative of quotient rule. Okay, so in the derivative of product rule, you're going to copy the first term, then find the derivative of second term, copy the second term, then find the derivative of first term. So when and derivative of quotient rule, so we have ba raised 1 minus ab raised 1 over b squared. Okay, so for example, you have this. Okay, y equals x squared plus 3 over x minus 2. All you have to do is to copy. Okay, so in the numerator is our a, the denominator is our b. Okay, all you have to do is to copy the b first. So x minus 2, then find the derivative of the numerator minus. So in product rule, we're going to use the positive sign, and the quotient rule, we're going to use the minus or subtract sign. So copy the b, so x minus 2, then find the derivative of numerator minus, copy the numerator, and then find the derivative of denominator over, you're going to square the denominator, so x minus 2 squared, then simplify, then you have a final answer, x squared minus 4x minus 3 over x minus 2 squared. Okay, this is only not a step-by-step process, but it is a something like that. Okay, So we have derivative of composition or chain rule. So when we say chain rule, so for example, we have this equation. So x squared plus 5, 2. So you are going to multiply the 2 in the constant, which is 2 times 1. Then copy the x squared plus 5. And then you're going to copy you're going to find the derivatives of in the parentheses. So the derivatives of that is 2x. So you have 2 x squared plus 5 times 2x. Then you are going to multiply the 2x times 2. So we have 4x. Then copy x squared plus 5. So that's the final answer. And then, and so on and so on. In the problem number B, that is also the process, okay? Then, negative integer power. Okay, so for example, you have a, in letter B, you have 1 over x squared minus 5. You have minus 1, 5, raised to 5. So, it is in the denominator, right? So, you're going to put it in the up, or you're going to move it in the numerator. So, you have x squared minus 5 raised to negative 5. So, negative 5 times the constant. So, negative 5 x squared minus 1. Then, negative 5 minus 1. So, you have negative 6. Okay? Negative 6. And this in the first example also, we're going to minus also 2 minus 1, so 1. Okay? Then you're going to find the derivative, so it's 2x. Then 2x times negative 5, so we have negative 10x. Then we all know that we have a negative sign or negative numerator, so we're going to put it down. So we have the final answer, negative 10x over x squared minus 1 raised to 6. So that's all for the rules for calculating derivatives or the rules and differentiation a function. Thank you.